Hello everyone, today we will see how to run the HTML code live in Google Chrome using VS Code in Kali Linux. So first of all, open the Visual Studio Code here and you just go to extension. Here in the extension, you can simply add code runner, just search code runner and install it. And another extension you need is live server. You just search live server and you can see this extension, a live server. You just have to install this one too. And click in setting after it is installed. And you can see extension setting here. Just go and you can see in the top right side a file which open the JSON file for the HTML for the live server. And you just have to add a code that is displayed in the screen. liveserver.setting.advanced custom browsers cmd line, and you can add Chrome here, or you can add Firefox and any kind of browser you have. You just have to add the name here and you just have to save and exit from this page. Now you just go to your computer desktop and add a folder there. Here I add the HTML folder and I will open the terminal here and open the VS Code from the terminal. Now I will simply make a file that is a text file, and I will use HTML language and write the code. So you can see here I wrote a simple code that is to print hello world as a heading, and I can see the subscribe.html file is created as I have renamed the file name to subscribe. And here you can see I have the parallel code running in the Chrome browser, and when I write the code it is not showing live, and when I refresh it, it is now updated, but we want to make it live, right? So after that we go to extension again and uninstall the live server and again install, use the same process again, and finally we can see the live server option is enabled. And when we just write the code and enter Ctrl+S, and we can see the Chrome also get updated, and simply without any click the website is changed. So in this way we can simply create a file of HTML live running in the Visual Studio Code in Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.